A practical guide follows a traveler who blends simple nature rituals with digital minimalism to ease daily stress. Experts explain how brief outdoor exposure and steady sleep routines reduce anxiety and boost mood for nomads. Personal stories show how cutting clutter and choosing small daily rituals created resilience during tough months. The series shares accessible tools like breathing checks, boundary setting, and grounding techniques for alternative lifestyles. Viewers learn actionable steps to start today and join conversations that treat mental health as everyday wellness.